What's up, guys? How's it going? So today we got the Eclipse outside. As you can see, I'm gonna be degreasing this cross member. As you can see, it's kind of pretty greasy, so and I'm gonna just degrease everything in here as well, and kind of give it a hose off and start getting this engine bay ready for paint. After I get all that done, if I have time, I'm gonna start kind of working on a couple of dents. There's just maybe 5 dents on the whole car. I know there's one on the driver's side fender, a couple on the quarter panel right there, and I think there's 1 or 2 on the roof. But I'm gonna have to go through the doors and kind of feel them out, see if there's anything on there. If there is, give it a quick coat of body filler, and that should be pretty much it. Hopefully I might be able to get it primered, but I don't have a spray booth, so I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. I gotta build a spray booth in the shop back there. Let's get rolling, no time to waste. Now that we got the engine bay as degreased as I could possibly get it, I'm gonna hit it with air compressor with some just air, try to dry it off as much as I can, and try to dry off in here as well, because as you can see, some water leaked in, obviously. So I'm gonna wipe that all down, air all this off, and wipe it down as well, dry it all out. And when that's done, I'm gonna get a wire wheel and I'm gonna start getting some of the rust, just surface rust. As you can see, there's a little bit right here. Also, there's that hole right there that somebody made for God knows what reason, that I'm gonna get a piece of spare metal and weld that one up, and then grind it down smooth, make it look good, and just clean up some of the rust around here. As you can see, there's a little spot there. There's a couple spots here and there. There's one right here as well. So I'm gonna go around, check all those out, clean all that up. And after I get the rust off, I'm gonna start scuffing it with a scuff pad. And I'm gonna remove this sticker right here, as well as this sticker right here. I don't know, it looks like some sort of barcode, but can't see the whole code anyway, so the sticker's useless. So I'll get rid of all those and kind of get this engine bay ready for paint. Let's hit it. What's up guys? So it's day number 2 of prepping the engine bay for primer. This is what I have so far. I had some really crappy sandpaper, so it was taking me forever to sand this down, so I just decided to kind of give it a break, and I bought some new sandpaper, so it should be a lot faster now. So hopefully tonight I could possibly get the engine bay primered at least, and I would really like to get the whole shell primered as well, which shouldn't be too hard because there's not too much work that needs to go into that. Alright guys, so pretty much the body is almost ready for primer as well as the engine bay. So hopefully next time that's gonna happen, because I'm tired of sanding this thing. It's getting late as shit, so I'm gonna head home here. It's like 2:30 in the morning. So
It's 2:24.
it was 2:24 like 10 minutes ago.
Also, guys, we did have some footage of me taking out my block from my car, but it was lost. So I know we mentioned that earlier in one of our videos. But that's going to be missing. But today I ended up tearing apart the old engine, just taking off the accessories. So just wanted to throw that in there. You good?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment if you have any opinions as to what was done here today. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated on the build. And yeah, thank you guys. Peace.